If your Monday.com board is not loading, don't worry, because in this video, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes that can usually get things working again fast. This is a common issue, and it can happen because of a temporary browser glitch, a bad session, cached data, an extension conflict, or even a network problem. The good news is that you can usually fix it without needing any advanced technical steps. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Let's get into it. The first thing to try is the easiest fix of all. Refresh the page. Sometimes Monday.com just needs a quick reload to reconnect properly and display your board again. After refreshing, give it a moment to load fully and see if the issue is gone. If the board still will not load, the next step is to sign out of your Monday.com account and then sign back in. This can help reset your session and clear any temporary login problem that may be blocking the board from opening. Once you log back in, go straight back to the board and check if it loads correctly. If that still does not work, clear your browser cache and cookies. This is one of the most effective fixes for loading problems like this. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. Then choose to clear the cache and cookies, make sure the correct time range is selected if needed, and click Clear. After that, restart your browser completely and open Monday.com again. A clean browser session can often solve stubborn loading errors. Next, disable browser extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools. Sometimes an extension interferes with Monday.com scripts or blocks important page elements from loading. Open your browser menu, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and turn off anything that might be causing a conflict. Once they're disabled, refresh Monday.com and test the board again. Another helpful step is to turn off any VPN or proxy service you may be using. These tools can sometimes affect how Monday.com connects to its servers or how certain content is delivered. After disabling the VPN or proxy, refresh the page and see if the board loads normally. If the problem still continues, try switching to a different network. For example, if you are on office Wi-Fi, try a mobile hotspot, or if you are on a hotspot, try a stable Wi-Fi connection. This helps you figure out whether the issue is related to your current internet connection or network restrictions. At this point, one of these steps usually resolves the Monday.com board not loading error. If the board still refuses to open after trying everything, the issue may be temporary on Monday.com's side, and you may want to check again later or contact their support team. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful how-to videos just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.